I'm like a bird, bred in captivity, but born to be free. One whose blood half remembers the wildness of lives before. When I escaped these chains and left the security of my cage, I guess the open skies were just too much for me. So here I am, back on this familiar shore, tame again, domesticated again, writing poetry again, instead of being that poetry. I'm silent a lot these days. Was I ever free? Or was I just in a larger, more beautifully decorated cage? Somehow, a torrent of water was poured upon this little fire in the forest that was my heart. This poem is the smoke rising from the ashes. I am a false alarm. I do not ring as true as I would. But one of these days, in one of these dreams that we call our lives, my tears will drag whatever gods there are left down to this earth to ignite the souls of the sons and daughters of men. And freedom will be more than just a word or a song, but the very breath we breathe and the blood that runs through our veins. Sometimes I'm aware that what I am reaching for is missed in a dream. But some sort of alchemy takes place. The more I reach for the mist, the more tender and open my heart becomes. I don't care about existence or non-existence. Sometimes I don't even know if my lover is real. But one thing is for certain. My love is